So hey guys, today we are going to practice your modal helping verbs which are has to and have to. So this modal helping verb is very important. In our daily life we use these modal helping verbs, but because of not having knowledge about it we make a lot of mistake. So here on this video you are going to learn the proper uses of this modal helping verb. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new here then hit the subscribe button to get the notification of our channel. So now are you ready?
Yes.
So we will translate here Hindi to English sentences has to and have to. So guys, let me tell you first of all, three sentences come in these modal helping verbs. करना पड़ता है, करना पड़ रहा है, करना है. Watch this video and attentively watch and don't even skip a second. Okay. मुझे खाना है.
I have to eat.
तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है?
Where
do you have to?
Where do you have to?
उसे रोना है.
He has to.
He has to
cry.
मुझे पढ़ना है.
I have to study.
उससे मेरे साथ बात करना है.
He has
He
to.
has to
हम्म?
talk with me.
He has to talk to me.
Talk to me.
मुझे कहीं जाना है.
I have to go.
I have to go somewhere.
उसे कुछ भी नहीं खरीदना है.
He does not have to.
He does not have to buy.
He does not have to buy anything. उसे रोज स्कूल जाना पड़ता है.
He has to go
He
to
has to
school
go
every
to
day.
school every day.
हमें रोज उसे डांटना पड़ता है.
We have to.
We have to
We have to
Scold him
every day.
every day. तुम्हें क्यों वहां जाना पड़ता है?
Why do you have to go there every day?
मुझे तुम्हारे लिए वो करना है.
I have
I have to do that
for you.
you.
मुझे ये तुम्हारे लिए खरीदना है.
I have to buy this for you.
For you.
I have to buy this for you. मुझे मेरे एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ना है.
I have to study
For my
exam.
मुझे वहां तुमसे पहले पहुंचना है.
I have to reach there
Before you.
for you.
हमें ये क्यों करना है?
Why
Why do we have to do? उसे क्या खरीदना है? उसे क्या खरीदना है? What does he
What does he
have to buy? तुम्हें क्यों रोना पड़ रहा है?
Why do you have to?
Why do you have to cry? मुझे आज 5 घंटे पढ़ना है.
I have to study for
For 5 hours. मुझे उसके साथ बात नहीं करना है.
I do not have to talk with him.
उसे क्या खाना है?
What does he?
What does he
What does he?
have to eat? Okay, that's good. मुझे कुछ याद रखना है.
I have to remember something.
मेरे भाई को वहाँ नहीं बैठना है.
My brother does not have to sit there.
Very nice. So guys, in this way we make these modal helping verb sentences. So if you got to know anything from our videos, then please let us know in comment box. This type of video we upload on this channel. So by watching our videos you can also enhance your English, and I hope that you are a very enthusiastic English learner. So if you really want to improve your English, then dedicatedly and having a firm determination, keep studying and keep learning this language. We will try our best to teach you and to guide you, and we are not saying that we are perfect in this language, but you can also teach us in comment box by saying something and by spotting our errors in our English. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Have a good day.